अली नज़रुल इस्लाम इंग्लिश ज़बान में अपना मकाला पेश करेंगे। इनका उन्वान है द स्टेटस ऑफ मदर इन इस्लाम, मंजिलतुल उम्मी फिल इस्लाम। ये उन्वान है। इस उन्वान पर इंग्लिश ज़बान में मकाला पेश करेंगे अरशद अली नज़रुल इस्लाम। माइक पर।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी खलक़ल इंसान व अल्लमहुल बयान व अकरमहु बिल इल्मी वल हिल्मी वल वअरी वल बुरहान वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम व मन सारा अला हदीहि इला यौमिद्दीन। अम्मा बाद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Anishkurli wali walidayk. Respected chairman and our respected teachers and my dear loving brothers, today I would like to deliver a few words about the topic, the status of mother in Islam. My dear brothers, a mother is a wise and noble woman who is like a huge secretary in the life of her children, who takes all kinds of pains for her children, who stuns her dearest for the sake of her children. Yes, she takes out the funeral of her happiness, who doesn't eat herself and feeds her children. But today there are young people born in the society who abuse their mother, say bad things or beat her. Even she drives them away from their own homes, perhaps. For this Allah, people Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَلَا تُشْرِكْ بِهِ شَيْئًا وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ حِسَانًا وَبِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَجَارِ ذِي الْقُرْبَى وَجَارِ الْجُنُبِ وَالصَّاحِبِ بِالْجَنبِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ وَمَا مَلَكَتْ أَيْمَانُكُمْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُحِبُّ مَنْ كَانَ مُخْتَالًا فَخُورًا. Surah Nisa, Surah number 4 and chapter number 5 and verse number 36. In this verse, Allah the Exalted has ordered the most important duty to be kind to your parents, then relatives and relatives. In the second place, there is the saying of Lord, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ حِسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِنْدَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا. Surah Bani Israel, Surah number 17, chapter 15 and verse number 23. Be kind to parents, don't say bad things to them, do not even say if, don't rebuke them, but treat them gently, speak politely and respectfully. My dear loving brothers, the question will arise your mind, why did he do this? He is a wholesome human being, but why is so much emphasis being given that you should not even call him Oof? When this question arises your mind, the mother's kindness and grace will ask whether the son forgetting it is I who made you drink milk from the blood of my liver, it is I. My dear brothers, Allah said in another place, Surah Luqman, Surah 31, chapter 21 and verse 14. Anishkurli walidayk, thank me and your parents too. Allah said in another place, Surah Bani Israel, Surah 17, chapter 15 and verse 23. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ حِسَانًا. Your Lord has declared that you worship none but Him and be kind to your parents. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said in the hadith from Muttafaqun alayh, narrated by Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, جاء رجل إلى رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فقال يا رسول الله من أحق الناس بحسن صحاباتي؟ قال أمك. قال ثم من؟ قال أمك. قال ثم من؟ قال أمك. قال ثم من؟ قال أبوك. It is worth considering here that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the status of mother is 3 times higher than that of the father, because the mother is the only person who has paradise under her feet. My dear brothers, at last I pray to Allah Almighty that we can understand more better about the status of mother in Islam. May the Almighty Allah bless us to serve our mother will. Amin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.